Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing this fun pastel winter look. If y'all want to see that, then keep on watching. Alrighty, to get this tutorial started, I am taking my Ulta eye primer, and we are simply going to put a little bit of that on, and don't forget, a little bit does go a long way. Taking now my super fun Too Faced white chocolate bar palette. It is so fun to play with. There are so many fun colors. I love it. So, to set our eye primer, we are going in with the shade Banana Date and applying that all over the lid. Taking now the shade Cake Batter and putting that in our crease. And since we are going for a pastel winter look, we are going to try to keep our eyeshadows light. So on a bit of a smaller brush, I am taking the shade Cookie Dough, blending that right along in there. And then just taking the shade Chocolate Syrup and applying that on our outer corner. Just taking a very fluffy brush, and we are blending out all the edges. No product. And once that is all blended in, taking a small fluffy brush, and we are going in with the shade Mint Chocolate. And we are just applying that all over our lid. And as you can see, that is a lovely pastel green. I am absolutely loving it. The pigment is great. The shadows are wonderful. I love this palette. And taking a very defined brush, we are going in with the shade Chocolate Syrup. And we are just simply going to put that on 1/3 of our bottom lash line. And then in the rest, fill it with the mint chocolate. And we are just taking the shade Smoked Sea Salt, putting that in that outer third as well, and bringing it up. Just kind of to add just a little bit more depth and dimension. And I shall do the other eye off camera. Alrighty, so I have also curled my lashes off camera. And so I am taking my NYX Epic Ink eyeliner. I absolutely love this eyeliner, as y'all can tell. And I am taking my Marc Jacobs Pink of Me Tight Liner and putting that in our lower lash line. Taking now the Too Faced mascara. And we are now taking Pearl Candy right here and putting that in our inner tear duct. And then we are just going in with the shade Glaze, and we are highlighting our brow bones. And I am taking my Too Faced Melted Matte in the shade Queen Bee. And this is such a beautiful shade and formula. I just love it. Taking now the Too Faced Peach Blurring Powder. And to set that all in place, I am taking my Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 Setting Spray. And that is it, guys. If y'all liked it, please give it a big old thumbs up. Also, don't forget to check out the totally awesome social media shout out down below. My social media links are down there as well. Love you guys. Bye!